more than that.
Yeah.
There's like cases and boxes of it.
And it's all sold
And
out.
also,
I can't believe I'm in the store right now. So this is the last two that's left.
so now, make it easy.
Am I gonna have to fight you guys for this? Well, what? Oh my god.
More than that.
Yeah.
There's like cases and boxes of it.
And it's all sold
And
out.
also now.
Oh my gosh. So I should count myself lucky.
Yes.
Because I came and there was only one left. So this morning,
When we opened, the customers were still waiting outside, and they were running so fast, like you don't know what was happening.
came just before the shop closed. It's like a few minutes before the shop closed, so I'm still excited and still happy that I got one prime. So my husband's doing the honors. So bismillah.
What is so good?
Oh my gosh!
It literally tastes like Powerade or energy.
And this is on an empty stomach, eh? Because we're liquor hungry. Okay, it's my turn now.
Hello? Salam.
How are you?
What and you, my
Yeah, let me know what's the story.
I didn't check the phone, man. I'm gonna check it tonight.
Okay.
And then it hit me. I found what life is about.
I'm gonna be honest. There is something to it. There is something to it.
What there is something what? Tell me what.
Some licorice effect without any licorice effect.
It literally tastes like that. The juice.
There's something in here that is not in the others, Habib. Let's be honest. I can't explain this. Like some flavor and smell that comes together. This is on an empty stomach. Eh? I almost finished it. I will be honest, man. It's not something I'll get addicted to, but there's something special in there that's worth the hype.
I grew up thinking this kind of stuff in India. We have a lot of drinks.